Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw from your Binance to your bank account. Let's start. So you can also do this in Binance app that's installed in your smartphones, or you can do this via binance.com in your desktop. So what we have here is our dashboard, given that we've already logged into our accounts after answering all the authentication process. When we withdraw, we actually go to wallet, so just hover your mouse right here, and then let's go to spot. So Spot Wallet, where most of Binance account holders are storing actually their cryptocurrencies, as well as the coins that they're getting from all the trading. So if you want to withdraw, you can do it from this page, and just click through this button right here, and this will lead us to this page. So mind you guys that there are two ways for us to withdraw. So since we're going to withdraw directly to your bank accounts, then definitely we're going to withdraw fiat. For those who are still new and then doesn't know the difference between the fiat and then the crypto, so fiat is pretty much the currency where you are in, or the currency that you'd like to withdraw and that you're using, for purchasing things, while crypto, it's pretty much a cryptocurrency where you cannot, withdraw that directly to your bank account. In this case, assuming that you've already set up your bank account, this is actually where you would go. Just need to select what currency you are in. So say, for example, you're in US dollars. And then here it will give you like a notification what fees are involved or associated with that, as well as the business days. And then just hit and continue. You would be able to fill in the rest of the information for your bank account. In this case, for security purposes, I'm just simply showing you which page we are in to process, withdrawing directly to your bank account. Once that's done, if you notice here, so using the example of US dollars and then having a bank transfers via Swift, it would go to my bank account in 1 to 4 business days with $15 of, as a fee that's associated with my withdrawal. So I think that's it. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.